Alright, this will be a quick video showing how to install the rig. All these files will be found in the text file that's delivered with the rig: the Advanced Skeleton FCM Hider, the picker, and the studio library. We have the documents Maya 2024, 2023, whatever you use, 2022. You have the scripts and the prefs. Some scripts have to be in the script folder, somewhere I can find them. Some you can drop in Maya and it will automatically place them here. So let's go to Advanced Skeleton. We have an install function, but we copy this entire folder to the scripts like that, and then open it and then drag the install into Maya. It will get above here. We drag and drop the FCM hider in Maya itself, like that. So it will be visible here, but you see that the icon is not visible. So the icon hider folder we will put in icons, prefs, icons, icon hider. If you want to see like all the control here, like the little icon, you have to restart Maya. But it works. The studio library, we also grab the entire folder, drag it into the script, grab the install, and the MG picker we drag into it with next, accept, next. Animator mode, you don't need the designer mode, and press install. Allow. Okay, and now we have everything installed.